Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm here to show you my little bird whistle I got for my birthday. So it's a little bird whistle. Nice little bird whistle. Good Joshua. There, focus. Show you how it works. Yeah. Yeah. So, yep. It's pretty much. Yep. So it's just me showing you my bird whistle, and never have an Asian been so naked.